Good afternoon, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Sanjay Katkar emphasizes cybersecurity in education, Simple Energy launches Dot One electric scooter, UK considers measures to protect teens from social media, Ola introduces indigenous AI model Kritrim, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Sanjay Katkar, co-founder of Quick Heal Technologies, stresses cybersecurity awareness in Indian education, advocates integrating cybersecurity into school and college curriculums, aims to equip future generations with skills to navigate the digital world securely, highlights weaknesses in recovering money from cybercrime victims' accounts, raises concerns about inadequacies in the Information Technology Act, urges stronger cybersecurity laws to combat evolving digital offenses, emphasizes the banking industry's role and the need for increased accountability. Next, we have Indian electric vehicle startup Simple Energy launches the Dot One electric scooter. Features a 151 km range, 0 to 40 km per hour in 2.77 seconds and 3.7 kilowatt battery. Entirely made in India with 4 color options: Nama Red, Brazen Black, Grace White and Azure Blue. Claimed to be the fastest scooter in its category with CBS safety features, offers 35-liter storage space, touchscreen instrument cluster and connected features. Deliveries to start in Bangalore and other cities. Suhas Rajkumar, founder and CEO, highlights the commitment to affordable electric mobility. Britain considers additional measures to protect young teenagers from social media risks. Focus follows the introduction of the Online Safety Act in October. The act requires platforms like Instagram and YouTube to strengthen controls. Platforms may face potential bans for children under 16 to enhance safety. Science Minister Andrew Griffith emphasizes balancing freedoms and parental control. New measures aim to address concerns about mirrors' exposure to online content, reflects efforts to strike a balance between online freedom and child protection. Prices of 4G smartphones in India may fall by 10 to 20% in the coming days. Increased demand for 5G phones prompts retailers to clear 4G inventory. 5G phones gained a larger share of sales from August to October. Retailers face challenges with unsold 4G units and seek higher margins. Launch of 5G services in October 2022 contributes to increased 5G phone demand. Entry-level buyers may consider affordable 4G options below Rs 10,000. Retailers aim for a win-win situation with brands and consumers. Ola, the Indian cab and service company, launches indigenous AI model Kritrim. Kritrim, meaning artificial in Sanskrit, competes with global products like ChatGPT. Built on local Indian languages and data, understanding 20 languages and generating in 10. Two models, Basic and Pro, set for release in the next quarter. Ola plans a full AI stack including AI chip, sustainable AI cloud and user-facing application. Demonstrates the potential of Kritrim during a live event. Ola aims to offer a competitive AI model in the evolving AI landscape. Next up, we have Apple's flagship Apple Watch Ultra 2 set to launch in 2026 with a 10% larger display. Switches to micro LED technology from the current OLED panel. Larger 2.12-inch display compared to the 1.93 inches of the Apple Watch Ultra second generation. Micro LED panels expected to cost around $120, 2 to 3 times more expensive than OLED. Two suppliers, AMS, Osram and LG Display, expected to create the micro LED panels. Apple continues efforts to enhance display technology in its products, represents an anticipated upgrade in Apple's wearable lineup. At last, OnePlus announces the official launch date for the OnePlus 12 series on 23rd January 2024. Global launch includes India unveiling the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R. Microsite goes live, offering a chance to win a free OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R by subscribing. OnePlus 12 features Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and a 6.82-inch Quad HD plus LTPO OLED screen. Pricing details for India likely to be revealed during the launch event. OnePlus aims to maintain its position with upgraded features in the new series. The launch event introduces the latest additions to OnePlus flagship lineup. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT World for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।